This is the video abstract for a generalized local rheology for wet granular materials. Wet granular materials show distinct behavior in nature depending on the flow rate, amount of interstitial fluid and the softness of the materials. However, field studies of such flows under varied conditions are difficult. Discrete particle simulations can be useful to establish basic principles qualitatively and as guidance for improving rheological models of such materials. In our simulations, we vary the shear rate to study flows from slow quasi-static to rapid granular shear flows using discrete element method. Additionally, we introduce interstitial liquid at contacts and varying amount of cohesion due to liquid bridges to study the transition from dry to wet materials. Likewise, we modify softness to study the flows from soft snow to hard rock-like particles. Here we show some examples of real-life applications of our research. We study the rheology from our simulation in a split bottom shear cell setup. Here we show an experimental setup of shear cell and the surface velocity profile measured from the experiment and post-process using mercury coarse graining tools. Different colors indicate blue low, green medium to red high magnitude of the velocity. Depending on the surrounding conditions, granular flows are affected by appropriate timescales, namely timescales related to pressure, shear rate, particle stiffness, gravity and cohesion. Each of the dimensionless numbers are defined as the ratio of these timescales. While traditionally the inertial number describes the flow rheology under quasi-static to inertial conditions, we observe that other dimensionless numbers are also needed to describe the flow, namely the local compressibility P star, the inverse of relative pressure gradient Pg star and the bond number BO. The macroscopic friction coefficient, defined as the ratio of shear stress to the normal stress, is expressed in terms of these dimensionless numbers. Thus, we study the rheology of granular materials in terms of these dimensionless numbers, combine the trends and show that they collectively contribute to the rheology as multiplicative functions. Furthermore, granular materials are known to behave like a non-Newtonian fluid for larger shear stress while they remain static, elastic like solids below their yield stress. More specifically, they behave like a shear thinning fluid. Here we study the apparent viscosity as a function of the inertial number for granular fluids of varying cohesive strength. The dotted cyan line and the solid green line are the predictions obtained from the proposed rheology and the analytical solution respectively at small pressure. The dashed dotted red line and the solid blue line are the fittings and the prediction from the analytical solution respectively at large pressure. We predict the apparent shear viscosity for different intensities of cohesion of wet granular materials. The increase in viscosity and the variable shear thinning behavior of granular materials under low stress is predicted well from the proposed rheology models and the analytical method.